Good evening, everyone. Myself, Mrs.Sneha Paringe, Assistant Professor at the Changu Kana Thakur Arts, Commerce and Science College, New Panvel, Empowered Autonomous. Today, I'm going to explain the top. We are talking about the subject human-computer interaction, and we will see the introductory part of SCI, that is human-computer interaction. As the name suggests, it is a study of how people interact with the computer and how the design technology improves the interaction. It is basically the communication between the people and the computer and the system through which how it interacts, how it is designed, and how it is structured. Human computer interaction is a field of study that focuses on designing, evaluating, and implementing the interactive computing systems for human use. So basically, this SCI field focuses on designing the various systems, then after that, evaluating those systems and implementing those systems into the real use for the human purpose. This SCI makes the technology more user friendly by using various kind of technologies now ever the young generation is using. SCI is implemented in a various devices, we can say. For example, the smartphones we are using, then ATM machines, websites, mobile applications are all the examples of human computer interaction where human interact with the computer for their various kind of daily task purposes, we can say. So the goals of SCI in the computer industry, we can say, to improve the usability of the system, enhance the user experience to make the GUI, or we can say the user interfaces, more friendly. It increases the efficiency and productivity of the technology, and it ensures the safety and comfort for the user. This SCI mainly focuses on the human purpose, user interest. That's why the comfort of user is taken care whenever this SCI happens. Now we will see what are the components of human computer interaction. There are basically three components as the name suggests. The first one is a human, that is the user who are going to interact with the system. The person who interacts with the system includes the abilities, behavior, and the limitations. The person can have the different types of abilities and interest. It has a different kind of behavior. According to that, the system can be interact, and that can be there be a limitations as well. Next one is a computer. Second component is a computer, that is system, the hardware and software used for the interaction or communication in between the user and human. The last one is the interaction. It is basically the communication between the user and the computer, that is we can call it as interaction. And that's why these are the three components were present. The example as given, suppose the user is typing to the keyboard, the keyboard will process that data and computer will respond on the screen. So this is how the human computer interaction can be done. Now we will see what is the importance of SCI. It makes the system easier to use, improves accessibility, reduce the user errors, and enhance satisfaction. As the SCI, these systems like the computer system is made according to the human there for their uh, accessibility. That's why it is very much important that the system can be handled very easily by the human by using this technology called as SCI. The principles of SCI, the consistency, feedback, visibility, simplicity, and error prevention. So these are the various kind of principles of SCI. Now the application of SCI, where the SCI is used in the mobile application, web designing, virtual reality, gaming systems, and smart devices, the SCI we can see. Advantages of SCI: better usability, as it is a user friendly, the more usable by the user. Improve productivity, it gives a friendly user interface, that's why it is easier to use. Enhance user satisfaction, as the design is made according to the user, so user will be get satisfied. And efficient system design. Challenges in SCI: as there are human computer interaction, a single system can be handled by various users. That's why designing can be difficult for making for different users at a single time. Accessibility issue, if the system is handled by multiple users and different types of user, there may be a accessibility issue happens. Rapid technology changes, the user is familiar with the one of the system, and as the technology is changing vastly, then we can might be user faces that kind of technical crisis over there, and user privacy concern. Next one is the future of SCI. Artificial intelligence can be help to improve this SCI. Augmented and virtual reality. In a virtual reality, the user is involving gesture-based interaction and brain-computer interfaces. Now basically that's why the SCI focuses on designing user-friendly system that allows human and computers to interact efficiently and effectively to improve the communication between humans and the systems. Thank you.